Hello, welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we are looking at one Olympiad problem. Determine the unique pair of real numbers x comma y that satisfy the equation 4x square plus 6x plus 4 into 4y square minus 12y plus 25 is equal to 28. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So here some logic is there. That's why this problem is selected. So first of all, I am writing given 4x square plus 6x plus 4 into 4y square minus 12y plus 25 is equal to 28. So here how to solve this problem? So here the logic is you have to make them as perfect squares. So to make the perfect squares, you have to add some values. 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3 by 2 minus plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 4. The first one you are making perfect square. The second one 2y whole square, it is also you are making perfect square. Minus 2 into 2y into 3 plus 9 or you can write it as 3 square. So here we are having plus 16 is equal to 28. So here you are not adding any values. From 25 you are taking 9 now. So here you can write it as 2x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus here 9 minus 16 you will get 7 by 4 into 2y minus 3 whole square plus 16 is equal to 28. Now if you take individually 2x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 7 by 4 is greater than or equal to 7 by 4 and 2y minus 3 whole square minus 16 is greater than or plus 16 is greater than or equal to 16. Now if you substitute these values in the original one, 2x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 7 by 4 into 2y minus 3 whole square plus 16 is greater than or equal to 16 into 7 by 4. You are getting 28. Okay, it holds the equality. It holds the equality if both the squares are equal to 0. Both the squares are equal to 0. That implies 2x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0 and 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. That implies 2x is equal to minus 3 by 2 and 2y is equal to 3. x is equal to minus 3 by 4 and y is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, the unique pair x comma y is equal to minus 3 by 4 comma 3 by 2. I hope you understood the video more. Thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad.